WordPress recommended 3 hosting company. Go to Google, type WordPress hosting, press enter from your keyboard. Lot of results show in front of you. Select WordPress hosting company. Click here. So this is the WordPress official hosting page. WordPress recommended 3 company list here. So number 1 Bluehost, then DreamHost or HostGator, you can choose any one of them. It is recommended by WordPress. You can install WordPress CMS only by one click. It called one click installation. And you will get some extra facilities from them, as like free SSL, fast loading, image optimization, etc. etc. So today we will discuss about Bluehost. We will give a description about Bluehost. Bluehost is the most popular hosting company, best overall hosting, custom service, web host of the year. So it is the interface of a Bluehost. Sometimes Bluehost offers some discount. If you want discount, you can check this out. So now we log in Bluehost account. Here lot of option available. One thing remember, Bluehost not only provide the WordPress, it also provide other CMS like Joomla, Drupal and others. So here lot of CMS available, you can choose your one. WordPress you can install by only one click. So here lot of option, especially when you choose your payment, GTMax. GTMax is one kind of website where you can check your website loading speed. You can use it from here, totally free. Bluehost associated with GTMax. It will increase your website loading time. It is helps you to increase your website visitor. So it is a payment plan. You can get a free domain name from here. If you buy a domain from Bluehost, it's totally free and it's start from $1 in a month. It is a get benefit for new user, and they maintain lots of statistics, traffic statistics, seller statistics, visitor statistics, lot of statistics. It helps you to increase your website more popular. So Bluehost is a best hosting company for WordPress, no doubt about this. And also they support you 24 hours. If you getting any problem, you can get support from them. It's very easy. So they provides a lot of discount plan. Get in touch and stay tuned for with this site, then you will get these facilities. If your website is very professional and too long, then you can select the advanced. Or if your website is medium budget or low budget, then you select basic. It's up to you which plan need for you. Which plan you will choose, its depends according to your business. Here are several kind of plan. You choose your one. And also they provide experts. You can get developer support from them. In our writing text or blog, you can take decision from others. We will include Bluehost, HostGator and others most popular hosting company in the world as like GoDaddy, Yahoo hosting, etc. etc. So it is a review for Bluehost hosting company. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, let us know. We will reply as soon as possible. So thanks for watching again.